I'm a trained motherfucking sniper. I roll a blunt, but ain't got no lighter.
Hell no.
I'm a open fire, MP3 baby, AKA Michael Myers run this bitch. With a fucking knife, Michael Myers run this bitch. Think once but not twice. Get your soul right, live or die. I'm dying to live, so what you doing? Wasting time? Hell no, motherfucker, I be in the gutter. Ready to toe tag a bitch and spread his brain like butter. I'ma smother a nigga cause I'm about to struggle. Only the strong survive right here in the jungle. Nigga, I'ma rumble, WWE. Throwing bitches over the top rope of the ring. Feel me? I'm chasing fucking cheddar cheese.
Yeah.
Steve Urkel, you can get up off my NUTs. Did I do that? I sure did. You silly rabbits better run tricks off for kids. I don't give a fuck. I done did the duty. You can bend over. Shake your little booty, get loose with it. If you slippin' that goose, then you gon' go silly. But me, I'm on the Henny and Patroni good, incredible, hypnotic, mesmerizing. Two fries short from my Happy Meal, I'm trying to get it right. But my elevator ain't going to the top tonight. And I'm steady faded, smoking the blunts back to back. Hell, I'm fucking racing on the fucking track with Dale Lionheart. He dead, right?
Yeah, motherfucker popping wheelies, bird of rubber. On your ass, so you better take your cover. I come at you with the motherfucking double barrel. Bop, bop, motherfucker, now you go to hell. Yeah, I've been racing around that track like a motherfucking hound dog. Chasing motherfuckers down, breaking off a booting their asshole. Cause I'm a bad motherfucker, gangster motherfucker, wild ass motherfucker. Get it, son, come and get it. I be coming out the woods like the fucking Sasquatch, man.
Yeah.
Barbarian, break you in half like a motherfucking chicken neck, son.
Yeah, motherfucker nigga coming in here. I don't really give a shit, no tear. Nigga want a motherfucker running like Santa Claus, red reindeer. Donna Prancing, Judo and Pluto. I don't remember all the animals, nigga. I do judo. Kung Fu. Kick the nigga in his throat and then he started spitting out nothing but tooth, nigga. Ooh. I come off in the booth and grab the microphone. I make Scooby-Doo holla out. Roof. Yeah.
Yeah, Scooby-Dooby-Dooby-Doo, where the fuck are you? I'm the motherfucking king. Yeah. 'Cause I'm a gangster. Yeah, yeah.